This video will provide you with 5 methods to solve the problem of how to transfer contacts from POCO to iPhone. Part 1. How to transfer contacts from POCO to iPhone in one click. If you're looking for the easiest, fastest, and most stable way to transfer contacts from POCO to iPhone, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is the top choice. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Connect your POCO phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Launch the program and make sure POCO appears as the source and iPhone as the destination. If not, click Flip to change. Step 3. Select contacts from the data type list and then click Start Copy to begin transferring contacts. Wait a few minutes until the process completes. Your iPhone will instantly display all imported contacts. Part 2. How to move contacts from POCO to iPhone via Move to iOS. However, this method only works if your iPhone is brand new or reset to factory settings, as the transfer can only be performed during the initial setup. Step 1. Install the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store on your POCO device. Step 2. Turn on your new iPhone and select Move Data from Android on the Apps and Data screen. Step 3. Open Move to iOS on your POCO phone and tap Continue. Step 4. Enter the code displayed on your iPhone. Step 5. Choose contacts from the data selection list. Step 6. Wait for the transfer to complete, then finish the setup on your iPhone. Part 3. How to sync contacts from POCO to iPhone with a Google account. If your POCO phone already backs up contacts through your Google account, syncing them to your iPhone is one of the most convenient options. Step 1. On your POCO device, go to Settings, Accounts, Google. Step 2. Ensure the Contacts Sync option is enabled. Step 3. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, Mail, Accounts, Add Account, Google. Step 4. Sign in using the same Google account linked to your POCO. Step 5. Turn on the Contacts toggle. Step 6. Wait a few minutes for the contacts to sync automatically to the iPhone. Part 4. How to send contacts from POCO to iPhone using a VCF file. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your POCO phone. Step 2. Tap Export Share and generate a VCF file containing your contacts. Step 3. Send the VCF file to your iPhone via email, file transfer apps, or cloud storage. Step 4. On your iPhone, open the VCF file. Step 5. Tap All Contacts to import them. Your iPhone will save all VCF contacts into the Contacts app. Part 5. How to import contacts from POCO to iPhone via a SIM card. If your contacts are stored on your SIM card or you want a very simple transfer method, you can move contacts using the SIM card itself. However, keep in mind that SIM cards have limited storage, usually around 200 to 50 contacts, and cannot store detailed information like contact photos or email addresses. Step 1. On your POCO device, open the Contacts app. Step 2. Select Import Export to SIM card. Step 3. Remove the SIM card from your POCO phone. Step 4. Insert the SIM card into your iPhone. Step 5. Go to Settings, Contacts, Import SIM contacts. Step 6. Wait for the iPhone to finish importing all SIM stored contacts.